Hey guys, what's going on? Today's a pretty exciting day because my new wheels came in for my car, so here, let me show you. Let me open it up so you can see. Alright, now somehow I have to fit all these into my car, so let's go outside and see if we can fit these. Alright, so somehow I have to fit this into here. So let's set you down and see if we can get this in here quick. All right, believe it or not, they're in. It's a little cramped in there, but everything's in there. So let's go to my buddy's shop and I'll see you there. So I have these 12 millimeter spacers. I think they're 12.5. I put them in the rear and it was sitting pretty flush, but it was rubbing a tiny bit. So I think I'm gonna cut them down to probably 10 on the lathe and see how they fit after that. All right, let's go. It's all cut down now. Cut it down to 10 millimeters. It was 12 before. So I'm gonna try it on and see if it still rubs or not. But it came out good. All right, all cut down. Let's put these in and see how it fits. All right, the spacers are in. It looks like it went in a little bit more, so it might be okay. I will have to take for a test drive. Unfortunately, it's raining right now, and I I'd just rather not get the car dirty, but hopefully tomorrow will be nice enough. We'll take it for a test drive. Let me know what you guys think.